Hey guys, today we are unboxing and taking the first look at the Gionee S11 Lite. So let's dive right in. So here's the Gionee S11 Lite. Let's take it out, and this is the phone itself with a 3D 4-sided curved edges design which looks and feels amazing and quite comfortable and light in the hand. Putting it aside, let's have a look at other items in the box where you find the warranty card and a transparent back cover. We also have a USB cable and adapter and a pair of earphones. Now let's start with its physical features. I have got the gold version of the phone, which looks quite impressive. The build quality, however, is questionable because of the use of plastic back, and the glossy design also easily attracts fingerprints. The device has a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is a big miss for Gionee, as it should have included a full HD panel considering the price. The IPS display does have a good color reproduction but lacks sharpness. This display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is certainly nice to see. The highlight of the S11 Lite is its 16 megapixel front camera and the dual 13 and 2 megapixel rear cameras. I took a few samples and the result was quite satisfactory. But I'm yet to test the camera in depth, so hit the bell icon to get notified on the full review. Moving on, the phone runs on Android 7.1 Nougat with an iOS-like Amigo UI on top. It is powered by Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset coupled by 4GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. With a dual hybrid SIM slot, you do have an option to expand the memory up to 256GB. The S11 Lite houses a 3030 mAh battery that is aided by various power-saving modes. Another highlight of this device is its fingerprint sensor, which is one of the fastest scanners I've used. Also, the S11 Lite has a built-in system manager to manage battery, applications, and to protect apps. Overall, the S11 Lite is a decent phone, but with the HD display, a mediocre processor, and a plastic build, I am not fully convinced with it. The camera and the battery remain the key deciding factor for the phone, and we shall find out more in our detailed review. So that's all for now. Let us know what you think of the S11 Lite. I am Anuj, and I'll see you next time.